In terms of size, I would say not enough. If it was a little bit bigger, it would be much appreciated. Hey guys, welcome to another video you wish you didn't click on. Today we're going to be testing lip gloss wands to see which one feels the best on our lips. They're all going to be ranked in terms of size, firmness, and spreadability. Now let's get to it. We're going to be starting off with the one, the only, Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez in the color Nearly Rose. It's wide, tapers off, and it has 2 holes on either side. And if you hold it up like this, then it kind of looks like a female body. I don't think I ever used a wand like this, so I'm very excited to try it. Oh, you can see it moving, so it isn't too firm, but it's still firm enough to give you a good application. Whew. Selena. We're not going to complicate the rating scale. We're going to do not enough, just right, and too much. That shouldn't have taken me so long to put together. Size, just right. It was wide and then tapered off, which allows us to be really precise. I think even without a mirror, you'd be able to get a pretty good application. Firmness. I think that it was just right because it was flexible, but it wasn't too flexible where you had trouble applicating, but it also wasn't too firm where like it did nothing. And finally, we have spreadability. I think this spread out very well. I'm gonna bring my mirror up close. I don't know about you, but I like it. I feel like everything was like just right, and just right. And now we're gonna be taking a makeup wipe to get this off and put on the new one. And this is also the only acceptable use of a makeup wipe. And our second lip gloss is Madison Beer's collaboration with Morphe in the shade Saturn. This wand I would describe as elongated and flat. Also how I would describe myself in my prepubescent years. And also my post-pubescent years. Oh, wow. Ooh. The scent isn't too overpowering. It's like a touch of chocolate, which... So the wand, again, flexible, but not too flexible. So I'm going to classify the firmness as just right. In terms of size, again, I would say just right because I use both sides and I was able to cover both of my lips, which is great. And again, for spreadability, it was so easy to apply. Went on like a dream. We are finding some winners today, and let's hope it continues because we have 3 more glosses to get through today. And I'm kind of sad that I have to keep taking each one off because I really like both of them. Ooh, when I do that, you can see my chin. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Third up, we have the Sephora Ultra Shine in Baby Doll. And with this one, I decided to branch out and not get a nude. And I'm disappointed that I did because I wanted like a neutral pink, but I ended up getting this like bright ass pink, which, let's be face it, it's not gonna go with me. The wand is thin and then thick, which you cannot go wrong with that combination. But this color, don't judge me because I'm about to look a lot worse than I usually do. Ooh. Okay. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would, but also it's not the best thing I've ever put on my lips. in terms of color. In terms of application, I think size just right. Because the tip is wider, it really allows you to get more product, cover more area. Firmness, again, just right. It's very firm at the base, but then the top has some flexibility, which I don't mind. I like. And the spreadability, I had to add in this part because when I was editing the video, I realized that I had to go back and forth when I was applying the lip gloss, so I'm gonna change my spreadability verdict to not enough. Again, guys, I swear I'm critiquing these and I'm trying to find some flaws, but so far, all these wands are ka-ching. Now we're going to be going in with the Luna by Luna in Venus. This is your regular wand. It's like the same one that you can buy for like, 100 wands for like, maybe like $5. I don't know. I love a regular wand. Okay. I do love these regular wands, but what I don't like is that they don't deposit that much product. So I would have had to go back in had I not used the back side and then right away apply some of the product from my bottom lip to my top lip, which I feel like evened it out. In terms of size, I would say not enough. If it was a little bit bigger, it would be much appreciated. Firmness, it was very firm, but I feel like it still got the job done, so I'm not going to take off too many points for that. We'll say firmness just right for this type of wand shape. And for spreadability, again, this formula works great with this wand, so can't complain, just right. And last but not least, we have Tarteist lip paint in Strike Gold. This one I chose because you would think when you look at it, it's like, oh, this is the same basic wand that you just showed us, Monika. Like, come on, like. But it has a curvature. We need to appreciate every curve. And I really appreciate this one because it picks up extra product in that curve. So I'm hoping that I don't have to re-dip in order to get a good application without like doing all that rubbing business. Oh my god, the smell. I think this is the best smelling one. So I'm disappointed to say that for size. I feel like if the wand was a bit bigger, it would have been amazing because it would have been able to pick up even more product. But I did kind of run out of product and my lips aren't that big. Like, I don't have any fillers. So for people that do, I feel like you would need like 2-3 dips in order to get a good application. Firmness, I'm going to say it was good. It applied nicely. Spreadability, again, just right. The only thing that I would change is for these two typical wands, like, we like that they're regular. You can get a good lip gloss formula for a good price for this Luna by Luna, although I don't even know the price, so I'm hoping it's good since it came in my BoxyCharm, so I think that it shouldn't be too expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't still, please like and subscribe because your girl needs all the help she can get. Thank you.